Hey, check it out. Some good food here. Cauliflower rice and some broccoli. That's good, eh? Got a little steam here. Clear it up. Hey, it's me, Joe Mad Cat. How you doing this morning? Or afternoon? It's week 12 on Optavia, Journey to Better Health. And let's look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. Here we go. Boom. 273.8. That's another 3 pounds down. Yeah, I feel great. Looking good. And I thank the help of my coach, Kendra Bellin. You need to check her out. And I'm doing great. And that's my numbers for the week. I'm down there 3 pounds. That's 66 pounds in 12 weeks. From 239 to 273.8. Oh, excuse me. 339 to 273.8. Whatever, I'm losing the weight. Feel good. This is Joe Mad Cat. Love you. Another great week. See you next one. That's the final product right there. With bread chicken strips. And it's good.